Feeling lost in the dark when it comes to understanding how your marketing efforts translate into actual sales within Follow Up Boss? Today, we're going to shine a light on a powerful tool you can use to fix that pixel tracking in the next minute. You'll learn exactly how to use tracking pixels in Follow Up Boss to understand the effectiveness of your campaigns, tailor your engagement, and skyrocket your conversions. First, log into your Follow Up Boss account. Once you're in, navigate to the admin section located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your name, then select admin. Next, find the integrations tab on the left-hand side and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see tracking pixels. Here, you'll see a button labeled Add Tracking Pixel. Click on that button. You'll now see a text box appear that says name. Give your pixel a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. For example, the landing page it is tracking. Then, paste the pixel code you've generated from your ad platform, whether it's Facebook ads, Google ads, or any other platform, into the space provided. Click the checkbox that says Enabled. Make sure to toggle the Enabled button and save. Now, every time someone who clicks on your ad lands on the page where you've implemented the pixel, that activity will be tracked back in Follow Up Boss. You can then see that data attributed to each lead in Follow Up Boss. This allows you to understand which marketing campaigns are driving the most valuable leads and tailor your follow-up accordingly. This information helps you understand lead behavior, improve targeting, and increase conversion rates. Start using pixel tracking in Follow Up Boss today and watch your sales performance improve.